Hi there, everyone. Power 5 meteorologist Brian Shaw here. We are going to have some light sprinkles moving through. Temperatures rising into the mid to upper 40s for this afternoon. They'll actually continue to rise through the nighttime. And that's when we are expecting widespread rain showers to move through. Some strong wind gusts are going to be possible within those storms. Temperatures will continue to rise actually into tomorrow morning into the mid 50s, then dropping quickly. By late morning, we're already down to the low 40s to upper 30s. Some light snow is going to be possible. Temperatures continue to crash down into the 20s by Monday morning. Some lake effect snow will be possible for the northern spots. But I also want to point out the wind gusts that we're expecting. They are really going to pick up for tonight. Not even just within thunderstorms. We're talking about sustained wind gusts at around 55 to 65 miles per hour through the day on Sunday. As temperatures are dropping, as we are seeing that light snow, we are still going to have 55 to 65 mile per hour wind gusts. They are going to be very strong. Temperatures dropping down into the low 30s on Monday. Some light snow possible. Dry day Tuesday, a little snow Wednesday, a couple of dry days Thursday, Friday with a slight warm up.